Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mobile application without any coding or programming knowledge. Let's get started. Click on this Chrome icon. Now in the search bar, search app creator 24. Then I already have it. Click on it. After that, click on the sign up button. Enter your name. Okay, let's enter my name here. Country United States. Then email like this. At Gmail. That's just one of my randoms. Password, let it suggest a strong password for you. Yes, accept terms and conditions, then send. After that, you'll have to confirm the message. The message will be sent to your email. You have to confirm it so that your email can be verified. But mine is already verified, so I'll just have to sign in with my verified email. It's taking a while. Then okay, now click this button, create app. Choose any app name. Let's name this app demo, because I'm app demo. Okay. Then choose an icon. You can insert an icon from the gallery, or choose a file from your phone or computer, whichever you like. I'll choose an icon from the gallery. I think I love this icon. Description. Okay. Choose any description. The app will be used to teach people about coding. Next. Okay. Now here you choose a theme. I love the blue color, so I'll choose the blue theme. Click next. Okay, let's say it should be a forum. You can choose any type of app you want, but I'll just choose this one. Social network. Do you want the app to have a chat? Yes, sure. Okay. Step chat. Next. Do you want the app to have a user finder social network? Yes, sure. Let's type social network. Yes. Video. Then the app has been created. Now go to app manager. Now from this window you can click here to access your app using this link. Yeah, this link. Okay. The app is not yet available because it is in queue, but it will be available within around 3 hours. Thank you guys. I think that helps.